Trays. Today I'm going to do a IKEA haul, and this is all the stuff that I got. Most of the stuff that I have here are from for the sunroom that we're going to decorate. So the sunroom is basically really empty, and we really needed something to just get some stuff for it. That's like one of the reasons why we went to IKEA. And we also want to get some organizers, and I will show you everything in just a moment. So these are all the stuff that we got for the sunroom. We even got this carpet that I'm standing on right now. We decided to get these lights because we didn't have enough light in this room. So we only had this. We also got this rug that we can put our foot on because we had nothing here, and whenever we walk and play from outside, we needed something to put our feet on. Also got these fake trees that look really nice in our sunroom, and they were on a really good deal. I also decided to get this really cute pillow because it went with the carpet that I was getting, and also I wanted to have a more tropical and really jungle and nice sunroom vibes, and I wanted to have a plants, and I wanted to have mostly that kind of vibes to get when I'm in the sunroom. I wanted to have a bright feeling, so that's why I decided to get this. So this is one of the other things that I got. So this was first in over here, it's mostly in here. Now I just pulled it out, and this is how it looks like. So over here, it's really pulled out and in, and it's really helpful if you just need to cover something, and mostly of the dirty stuff and bad stuff are showing, then you can pull this up and no one can see it, or you can pull it down. So it's really useful. It's useful in many ways. So we decided to get this for our sunroom, and this one's called the Lattice. So you better get one of these. They were really helpful, and they look really cute when we first saw it. So this is how I'm using it. I'm putting my plant in it, and right now my plant is very little, but soon it'll grow to be really big. So now let's move on to kitchen supplies. We need a lot of stuff for our kitchen, and most of the stuff here are really helpful. And we needed a lot of Tupperware because we didn't have enough, and we needed some stuff to store our foods in. This is how I am using it. Now these cereal containers that I got, I'm putting all my baby's food in it, so it's just more easier for me because I just have it laying around inside the baby's cabinet. So now I have a certain way of organizing it. And we always get our Ziplocs from IKEA because they always have 2 in 1. So they have one big bag and one small bag, and we always feel that we're not wasting enough money on each size of a bag at a normal grocery store, so we always get ours from IKEA. Also, we got these 2 buckets. Now we decided on, since these 2 lids fit on here and here, we decided to get one glass, and we also decided to get one plastic. So then when we're always trying to store things, because we already had some of these lids, so we needed some more. So then we can and we only had the glass ones, so we never had the container ones. So we decided to get the container ones too, along with that. And that is all the stuff for our Tupperware. This was some tip materials that they had, and we realized that we really needed this. It's called the overmat. So we always cut our food in half, and we decided that this is going to become really helpful because it'll keep our foods fresh, and you can use it in many things, like if you're storing a drink. And this shows how to use it. We really felt that this was really what we needed because we always cut food in half and we cover it with aluminum foil, but that doesn't keep it fresh for long. So this will keep it covered, and no insect or anything can come on the top of it and put bad stuff in it or anything like that. This is how I use my overmat. I had a sliced tomato, and I'm just putting this over it, and it's going to keep it fresh. So instead of, we had an old one, It wasn't from IKEA, and it wasn't really as useful or helpful. So we decided to get this one because we can just easily hold it from one hand and we can easily scrape it down the food from the other. So we wanted to get this too. And the other one, it really got old and rusty. Also, we got this. So whenever we have some food, like some bags, like if we get bread and we needed to like clip the other side so then it can stay fresh. So we also got more of these. And the cool thing about this one is that we have this suction cup on the bottom. So if it gets watery, then we can like immediately just put it down like that. So this is the scrub for the dishwashing. These are all the IKEA tips that we thought were really helpful. Seen a day in my life, then I already mentioned why I got this, but I got it because I needed much more pots and to cook a lot of food because we cook multiple food at once. These are the IKEA napkins that I got, and I already had this IKEA holder from before, and the cool thing about this is that when you put something in it, then immediately just like snaps in. It's really cool. And I'm just putting this next to my oven because whenever I'm cleaning it, I can just dry it up with that. The other thing that we get over and over again at IKEA are the batteries and the light bulbs because they are always helpful, and we just always use these when we go to IKEA. And the last thing that I got was this queen mattress set, and I actually redid my room, so you can actually tune in for that because I have a couple videos for that. And I got this, and it's just somewhat going with the theme that I got. Also, this is the end of our video. Please give us a like and subscribe, and tune in for more videos.